Okay, so what we are doing today is we are generating word cloud with simple text in Python. So for that we need matplotlib and word cloud library. Matplotlib is simple standard library for all the visualizations in Python language. And second, the special library word cloud, you can import it like this: pip install word cloud in the Jupyter notebook itself. So we'll import it like this, and then what we'll do is this is very simple script by which you can generate the word cloud. Okay, so let me do it here and then I'll explain it. It is very self-explanatory. So this is the text we are from which we are generating the word cloud. And what is this? This is a single string. Word cloud needs a single string with spaces. Word have to have spaces between them. So what we did here is we declared the figure size. We declared a variable with a single string with containing the words with spaces. Okay, next we declared a variable and we created the word cloud object. We passed some parameters. We passed this text to the we passed text to this generate method, and then we simply, with the help of matplotlib, generated this beautiful looking word cloud. So that's it. That's the simple script to generate word cloud. I didn't knew it was that easy. And next, I am also doing it. I downloaded the lyrics of this Lose Yourself Eminem song and I tried to generate it. I tried to generate word cloud out of it. So let's see. So I opened this text file, and in the song variable, this is file.readline. So what this now this here this song variable contains list of these strings. So that's why I did this. I declared the song variable again and I converted it into a single string. So let me see what's the, so this is the outcome, and we'll pass this song variable here. Very simple. So let's see how this songs looks like in a word cloud. Okay. This is looking good. So that's pretty much it. If you want to save it, you can save it with this plt dot savefig, I guess was the method. Savefig lose yourself dot png. Okay, yes, this image is saved and we did it. In the next video we'll generate word cloud with WhatsApp chats. That will be interesting. So that's it for today. Done.